How to do the airplane mode on Monopoly Go. Now before I will show you how to do the airplane mode, I will explain to you first how does the airplane mode works. Now airplane mode is actually the other term of resetting all the rewards or the activities that you have from Monopoly Go. Example, so say for example you're on this page right here or you're on this block right here. Now if you roll the dice and if you don't want these specific prices that you receive such as the 8,000 points that you have, so for you to be able to reset this, just go ahead and turn on your airplane mode, go back to your game, try to roll the dice again, and if you want to reset it, you just have to close the application, turn on or turn off your airplane mode, and then once you go back to the game, you will be back from where you have started your dice. So if you would like to have that rewards that you have while doing the airplane mode, then you have to turn on the airplane mode while you're on the game. You can still play it, it will not be disconnected. So that's it. That's how you do an airplane mode on Monopoly Go.